a sound from heaven as of a rushing wind, and it filled the house where they were sitting. There came a sound like what? A rushing wind. I told you earlier during our workers' meeting, there is power of sound. There is power of sound. Sound has power. What sound are you making? What sound? If you are making a godly sound in line with God, it will rearrange your life. It will transform your life. In the valley, dry bones was there. God told Ezekiel, he said, make a sound. As he made the sound, there was transformation. And dry bones began to do what? Dry bones began to walk. Dry businesses began to flourish. Dry ministries began to blossom. Dry minds began to flourish. Dry glory began to manifest. This morning, as many under the sound of my voice, as you hear the sound of